Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic TypeScript. So let's get started. In TypeScript, what is the correct syntax for creating a mapped type that makes all properties of an existing type T optional? The correct answer is option A, P and key off T, TP. Which built-in utility type is used to construct a type by picking all properties from type T and then removing K keys? The correct answer is option B, omit TK. The exclude TU utility type is primarily used to. The correct answer is option C, exclude from T those types that are assignable to you. Given the type definition, type unwrap T equals T extends, infer U, T, what will unwrap string resolve to? The correct answer is option D, string. Which utility type extracts the return type of a function type? The correct answer is option A, return type T. What is the result of parameters s, string n, number, equals void? The correct answer is option B, string number. When using experimental decorators, what are the 4 arguments passed to a method decorator? The correct answer is option C, target, property key, descriptor. What does the no implicit any flag in config.json do? The correct answer is option D. It raises an error on expressions and declarations with an implied any type. In config.json, which module resolution strategy mimics the way Node.js looks up modules? The correct answer is option A, node. What is the purpose of a type predicate in a function return type, e.g., args t? The correct answer is option B, to allow the compiler to narrow the type of a variable within a conditional block. Which of the following is a requirement for a discriminated union in TypeScript? The correct answer is option C. A common property with a literal type exists in every constituent of the union. What is the primary difference between a const enum and a regular enum? The correct answer is option D. Const enums are inlined at compile time and do not generate an object in the output JavaScript. Which TypeScript feature allows multiple declarations of the same interface name to be combined into a single definition? The correct answer is option A, declaration merging. What is the recommended modern alternative to using namespaces for code organization in TypeScript? The correct answer is option B, ES modules, import, export. Which statement is true about abstract classes in TypeScript? The correct answer is option C. They serve as base classes and cannot be instantiated directly. How do you define an array that cannot be modified, no push, pop, etc. in TypeScript? The correct answer is option D, array, read-only string. What does the syntax key, string, any, inside an interface represent? The correct answer is option A, an index signature. Why is unknown preferred over any 4 values that come from an external API? The correct answer is option B, because it forces the developer to perform type checking or casting before using the value. Which utility type constructs a type by excluding null and undefined from T? The correct answer is option C, non-nullable T. What does the partial T utility type do? The correct answer is option D. It makes all properties in T optional. Which TypeScript feature allows you to create new string types by concatenating literal types? The correct answer is option A, template literal types. What is the purpose of the satisfies operator introduced in TypeScript 4.9? The correct answer is option B, to validate that an expression matches a type without changing the inferred type of that expression. Which utility type extracts the instance type of a constructor function type? The correct answer is option C, instance type T. What does constructor parameters T return? The correct answer is option D, a tuple type with the types of the parameters of a constructor function. What is a .d.ts file used for in TypeScript? The correct answer is option A, to provide type definitions for existing JavaScript code. Which config.json option allows you to specify custom suffixes for module resolution, e.g., .ios.ts, .android.ts. The correct answer is option B, module suffixes. Can TypeScript interfaces be recursive, referencing themselves? The correct answer is option C. Yes, they can reference themselves in property definitions. What is the difference between the private keyword and the hashtag #ES# private identifiers? The correct answer is option D. Private is enforced only at compile time, while hashtag provides hard runtime privacy. Which utility type was introduced to unwrap the type of a promise? The correct answer is option A, awaited T. What is the result of applying required partial T to a type T? The correct answer is option B, a type identical to T, where all properties are required. Thank you for watching.